Okay, picking up again in the living room area. We walk through, like as I said, the dining room area. You'll see. Trying to see, hopefully you can see some of the detail of the flooring too, because that was what you had a question about. Walking into the kitchen and the family room area. Obviously you have your beautiful view of the lanai. More doors. More view. Then you have the kitchen that you saw with all the plant shelves and the details in the ceiling. And we are going to walk through. Here's where the kids' bedrooms are. You have the powder room here. And you have, ooh, I'm probably making you dizzy with that one. This was the den, which is also the daughter's room right now, that has the mural on the wall. The princess bedroom. And then we have the other full bath with the footed tub. And another picture of me. Yay. And we have the boys' rooms. So, plantation shutters on the windows. There is carpet in the bedroom. Built-in bookshelves, computer desk, TV desk, and then the final bedroom. Oh, which has really cool bunk beds. If I were a kid, I'd want to live in here. I don't know how well you can see this though in the dark. I'm going to look from another angle. You do have built-in shelves again. And a lot of cutouts in the wall, which is great actually, and the furnishings are negotiable. I will have to find out too what they're actually taking. I know quite a bit of it they are potentially leaving here. You can see the crown molding everywhere, and actually very nice ceiling fans too, so they did everything upright in terms of details in the house. And again, plantation shutters on the windows. I don't know if you can see those because it's so bright outside right now.